ਅਸੀਂ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ISM ਸਟੱਡੀ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ।
And now we are among top 6% best business universities in the world. Tuition fee for one semester is around 3,000 euros. Get a discount applying in early admission. Usually it's from November till May.
Double degree program.
To France or to Norway.
26 partners for exchange program.
Central part of the city.
Yeah, so this is for you to represent ISM. Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much. ਅਸੀਂ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਟਰੀਟ, ਇਹ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਵਿਟਜ਼ਰਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਊਨਟਾਊਨ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਸਟਰੀਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ISM। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਕੜੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਲਾਏ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਦੈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੀ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹਰੇਕ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਫਲੈਗ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਤੇ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਿਓ। ਤੇ ਆ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ISM।
So we have just received the ACSB accreditation, and we are the only university in whole Baltic region who has that. And now we are among top 6% best business universities in the world.
ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ IS ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਕੋਰਸ ਡਿਟੇਲ 25 ਸਾਲ ਪਰ 20 ਸਾਲ 25 ਕਿ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਵੇਲੇ 올ਡ ਟਾਊਨ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਰੀ ਨਿਊ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ।
Should be done during their final third year. That's why our students are the most valuable on the market because everything goes through practice, and when they come to the companies for the internships, they already know what work looks like.
Okay. And what is the fee structure like tuition fees?
Yeah, so tuition fee for one semester is around 3,000 euros. Yeah. And of course, the students also can get a discount applying in early admission. Usually it's from November till May.
Okay.
And it's possible to get a discount starting from 10 up to 50%. But of course, it's only for brightest students who are applying from all over the world.
Nearly 3,000 euro
Semester, yes.
per
Per
semester.
year, it's 6,000.
6,000.
This is a standard price.
Okay.
And
And for
of course,
master?
the same price.
Okay, same price.
Yeah.
And there is any application fees?
Yes, of course, 100 euros.
100 euro. 100 euro.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay,
that's
thank
the
you.
product, yeah. So actually, if we will have an agreement, so 10% discount is given.
Maths requirement or a physics
Yes,
requirement?
yeah. As it is a business school, of course, math is the most important subject.
Okay, from
yeah.
the
Size of the classes. It doesn't matter that we will admit 100 students for the program. You understand that here can't be 100 students, right? We will always divide students into groups up to 30, 40 people max.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. These all the students. Okay. Is a bachelor in
Or
English.
master, yes.
He can apply without any IELTS. But all bachelor students who are applying for the bachelor program must have IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge, PTE, or they must pass ISM English test. It
Okay.
costs 120 euros,
Okay.
and it can be done any week the student wishes.
Okay.
Okay.
ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣੀ
Okay.
ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ 올ਡ ਟਾਊਨ ਹੈ ਡਬਲ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Yes, we have double degree with French university, with Norwegian university. Yeah.
If student complete their bachelor like 1.5 year, then they can study in other country.
Yeah, so students can study first year at ISM. On second year, they can already apply for the Erasmus program and go for one semester to spend to any European country. On third year, they can dedicate their time and they can go for double degree program to France or to Norway, because we have two partners, Catch Business School and Insec University in France, the Norwegian Business School in Norway. And then
France,
on
Norway, Spain, and UK.
No, France, Norway, that's
Okay.
it.
France,
Yeah.
Norway. Okay.
And France and Norway.
France, Norway.
Yeah,
And
so
they,
we can, if
they
you want,
don't
we
need
can
to pay a lot
remake
of
it.
fees. So same tuition fees there.
Yeah, so if they go to Catch Business School or Insec universities in France, we continue paying our price. If they go to our founder, BI Norwegian Business School based in Norway, they pay during that year to BI Norwegian Business School with 10% discounted price.
Okay, thank you.
You will definitely need to structure this information, because this is really very important for you to understand. Yeah. I did at Illinois Institute of Technology. So you understand what 26 partners for exchange program.
Okay.
Exchange is exchange, double degree is double
double
degree.
degree,
So
okay.
for I'll do twice now. Yeah, so I can maybe ask my colleague. So I can. These are partners for master programs for double degree.
Okay.
Yeah. And here we have, the programs, the prices.
For children. I'm sorry about that.
Here, of course, everything is in English and the topics you can see.
Bye.
Bye. Hope to see you soon. Are you going to be our new students? Probably not. Are you going to study here?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you are. Alright, see you soon.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
We can make it warm and have snacks here. Yeah, so already students are finishing. You will be nowhere. So really very nice and the location is top. This is the most central part of the city. Near Cathedral Square. So it's really
It's a
very-
sample of the villas.
Yes, it's like heart of the Vilnius. Yes, central. Yeah.